Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give you a concise and easy to understand summary of the pros and cons of using WriteSonic. You see, when it comes to feature richness, WriteSonic has a wide range of templates for blogs, ads, social posts, product description. But when it comes to the con, it's that it can actually feel overwhelming due to many features. Now if you look at the AI quality, WriteSonic uses GPT-4. It is GPT-4 powered. It has high quality coherent output. It has real-time data integration via ChatSonic. But the con is that it has occasional factual errors. Yes, the output can be generic or formulaic. Now we look at the ease of use. WriteSonic is intuitive. It's beginner friendly. It has beginner friendly UI. It's interactive. It has interactive demo and seamless onboarding. But the con is that it has a steep learning curve to master advanced tools like Sonic Editor and BotSonic. Now let's look at the SEO tool. It has built-in SEO checker, keyboard cluttering, and internal linking software SEO integration. But the con is that it's not as advanced or as dedicated as other SEO platforms. So if you look at the multilingual support, yes, it proves that it supports about 25 plus languages, while the con is that the variation in quality across languages is actually there, especially non-English. There's variation in quality, especially non-English languages. Now, when you look at the speed and productivity, WriteSonic generates content rapidly within minutes or seconds. It helps overcome writer's block. But the con is that the credits or word limits is present on lower tiles. What this means is that there is credit and word limit if you're using lower plans. Now, if you look at the integrations, WriteSonic connects with WordPress, HubSpot, Google Docs, APIs, and chatbots. But the con is that it has limited integrations beyond these key platforms. Now, let's listen to what some users have to say. Now, some users say that WriteSonic helped them to excel in fast content creation and is the best choice for users who need quick, high-quality content. Another person says output needs editing, so the tool is helpful as a starting point. So in summary, the strengths of WriteSonic is its versatile template library, a strong GPT-4 writing quality, built-in SEO tools, multilingual support, and speedy output, all with a friendly user interface. But you need to consider some things, because edits often is needed for factual depth, credit limits on lower plans, moderate learning curve for advanced tools, and occasionally inconsistent non-English outputs are the things you need to consider before using WriteSonic. So hope you found this video helpful.